Hi there, this is Number Sense 101. So we're gonna tackle now about this picture. So we have to simplify a ratio to its lowest term. And this is Rachel Salento from MST Mathematics 1A. Before we do the simplification, we have to review first what's ratio. In mathematics, a ratio is a comparison of the value of two numbers. The ratio AB is read as A to B and describes how many times A contains B. For example, in a table there are oranges and lemons. We assume that oranges is A and lemons is B. Now if we count the oranges, there are 8 oranges, and for the lemons we have 6 lemons. The question now is, what is the ratio of A to B? We just uh, express that just like this one. We will use the colon. So 8 is to 6 since the ratio of there are 8 oranges and 6 lemons. But there are still reducible, which will be tackled later. But for the overview of this lesson, there are conditions in which simplification of ratio can be the lowest term. First is, what if both A and B are whole numbers and both A and B are not whole numbers, just like decimals or mixed numbers. So our objective is to simplify ratio to its lowest term. First, we will go to both A and B are whole numbers. So for example, the one we used earlier is 8 is to 6. So there are steps to follow. So first is, we have to list the factors of A. So 2 times 4, that makes 8. 8 times 1, that makes 8. Second is, we have to list the factors of B. 2 times 3, we have 6. And 6 times 1, we have 6. Third is, we have to find the greatest common factor of A and B. Now, as you can see, the greatest common factor of A and B is 2. So GCF is 2. Now, we will use 8 is to 6. The fourth step is divide A and B by the GCF. So we're gonna divide 8 by 2 and 6 by 2. That's 4 is to 3. So the last step is use the results to rewrite the ratio in its lowest term. So now the final answer is 4 is to 3. Now let's go to the second condition. What if both A and B are not whole numbers? What if they are decimals or mixed numbers? For example, we have 0.25 is to 3 and 1/8. There are steps also. First is, you have to convert A to fraction and convert B to improper fractions. Now 0.25 is equivalently to 1/4, and 3 and 1/8 is equivalent to 25 over 8. I just get 8 times 3 plus 1, that's 25, and copy 8. Now the next step is we have to cross multiply 8 by 1 and 4 times 25. So we have 8 times 1, we have 8, 4 times 25, we have 100. Now the third step is we have to find GCF of A and B and divide it both sides. We already know that 8 and 100 have 4, which is their GCF. That's why we divide 8 by 4 and 100 by 4. So the result is 2 is to 25. Now we have to rewrite this one in its lowest term, since this is already the lowest term. So now 2 is to 25. So this is now the answer. I hope this helps. See you for the next lesson. Thank you.